When it comes to homeowners insurance, you've probably heard the terms replacement cost and actual cash value. But what do they mean, and how do they affect your coverage? Let's break it down in simple terms so you can make the best decision for your home. First, let's talk about replacement cost. This is the amount it would take to rebuild or repair your home or replace your belongings with brand new items of similar kind and quality. For example, if a storm damages your roof, replacement cost coverage would pay to replace it with a new roof without factoring in depreciation. It's like hitting the reset button and getting everything back to how it was before the damage. Now let's look at actual cash value, or ACV. This is the value of your home or your belongings after accounting for depreciation. In other words, it's what your items are worth today, not what you paid for them. For example, if your 10-year-old couch is damaged, ACV coverage would pay you for what the couch is worth now, which is likely much less than what it would cost to buy a new one. So what's the difference? The key is depreciation. Replacement cost doesn't factor in depreciation, while actual cash value does. That means replacement cost coverage typically provides a higher payout, but it also may come with a slightly higher premium. Here's a practical tip. If you want to fully protect your home and belongings, replacement cost coverage is the better option. It ensures you can rebuild or replace without worrying about out-of-pocket cost for depreciation. However, if you're looking to save on premiums and are okay with covering the difference, actual cash value might work for you. If you have a mortgage on your home or condo, it's unlikely that your lender will accept ACV coverage. So be sure to check with them before purchasing an ACV policy. One more thing to keep in mind. Replacement cost coverage is especially important here in Florida, where hurricanes and storms can cause significant damage. Having the right coverage can make all the difference when it comes to rebuilding your home and your life. So there you have it. Replacement cost gives you the full value to replace or rebuild, while actual cash value factors in depreciation. Talk to your insurance agent to make sure your policy fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and for more information, please visit our website or give us a call.